Hi, my name is Jason, and I attended the Peak Capital Trading Bootcamp, and this is my testimonial regarding that bootcamp. For me, this was the best thing that could have ever happened to my potential trading career. So I'm very excited to come out of this bootcamp with everything I've discovered I was doing incorrectly, moving forward in the right direction. Without the 2.5 to 3 month simulator with trading restrictions and having a max stop loss and a max P&L for the day, it really does test your overall psychology and what you think is the right way to trade and what is the correct and proper way to manage your positions. So I personally want to thank Peter. He was my coach. Thank you again, Peter, for answering all of my questions. Thank you, everyone in BBT, for putting this on as well. And I'm really looking forward to moving forward and progressing in my trading career, all because of BBT and this boot camp that I've learned so much from. So thanks again.